Hey guys, welcome to the kitchen today. Today, yes we can. So, Kitchen Mama sent me 2 new can openers to try. So, here at Deep South we don't have very many cans. I usually put things in jars and can them. But this type can to open with a can opener, I don't have that many. Seldom do we keep a lot of canned items, but I do need, on occasion, I need can openers. And I have a Pampered Chef can opener that is totally off grid. You just put it on, and most people can't figure out how to use a Pampered Chef. This one, Kitchen Mama, is very easy to operate. I'm going to show you how. She sent 2. They're 2 different sizes. I'm going to show you that, where the batteries go in, things like that. And stay tuned, because we're going to give one of these away. I'm going to see which one I like, and I'm going to give the other one away. Okay, here's the smaller one by Kitchen Mama. It's called Yes We Can. This one, on the end, has this little lip, and you just pick it up, and the whole part comes loose. You can see 4 AA batteries. So the spring, the bottom goes to the spring, and you just alternate. Four batteries, and then you put the lid back on, and you hear it snap. Okay, on the underside, it has a built-in magnet, and this is the cutting wheel thing. You want the can to be in between these 2. So we're going to try this and see how it works. As you can see, I'm putting this wheel on the outside and letting it sit on top of the can, and we're going to mash the button on top. And it stops automatically, and then it backs up so you can take it off. Like that. Voila! It says it's easy for kids and grandmas, and there's no way you're going to get cut. None of this will cut you, and that's what I like. My Pampered Chef does the same thing, but I like this. I don't have to touch anything. Okay, so that is the small one. I'm really liking it because it's smaller, more compact. So let's see about the biggest one. Okay, for the larger one, this one, where the white meets the orange, you just mash. This part comes off. And again, 4 batteries. I'm not sure that's right. We shall see. Okay. So that is right on this one. Okay, I'm opening one of our diced green chili tomatoes to go in my chili. And again, with this, you've got your wheel. You want it like this on there. Just sit it down. Okay, this one did not stop, so I'm curious as to why. It is cut, but this one did not have the automatic stop. Okay, didn't read my directions, okay? This one does not have the automatic stop. This one you have to stop once it makes a round. This one has the automatic stop. So guys, I'm keeping the little automatic stop one. That's the one I want. This one is going to be my giveaway. Okay guys, if you'd like to win this can opener, I want you to comment in the description below. Go look through my gluten-free and my Deep South recipes, either on Deep South or Crazy Days. Go to any of my playlist, pick out a video and watch it, comment on that video, and come back here and say, I want a can opener. And tell me which video you went and commented on so I can go back and check it. And somebody will win a can opener. I'll give you, today is, let's do this drawing on the 30th. How about that, guys? You want a can opener? Go find a playlist of gluten-free or Deep South recipes on Crazy Days or on Deep South. Either one. Comment, come back, tell me I want a can opener, and tell me which video you went to. Guys, we want to thank Kitchen Mama for the Yes We Can. And I like this one. I'm going to keep this one because it comes in handy. I don't know how long the batteries will last. It'd be up to what kind of batteries. If you have rechargeable, you can recharge the batteries and keep going. It doesn't cut you. Easy operating, easy to change the batteries out. Everything about it's easy. So yes, we can. From Kitchen Mama. Thank you guys.